It was last November when I posted a reel planting all of these roses. 1 rose per post, 1-gallon containers, and things have gone really well since then. But that was 11 months ago, and we're about to get into dormancy here coming into October. So I wanted to give you an update before that happened. But yes, everything is looking good. The roses have grown all the way to the top, and I can't wait until next summer when they probably should fill out the top and everything will be in bloom. It's a new dawn variety, nice pale pink. So that should look really amazing. But in addition to that, I started a lot of native perennials from seed, so I wanted to plant some of those out in the area in front of the roses to add some diversity and of course attract a lot of beneficial insects. So I've done that with some native milkweed, a couple varieties of that, liatris, some creeping geranium, wild bergamot, and some native asters, and some other things too. But what I really think has made the difference, because everything is established nicely, they still have a ways to go, but I can tell they're off to a very good start. And that is working with the soil, because this area prior to planting was really hard compacted clay. And I knew that's not a good environment to establish those roots and get them going. So I had to amend the soil. And what I did was I used some high quality composted soil. For me, that's Soil³, my soil of choice. And things have responded very nicely. And they're still establishing. But what's really going to be amazing is next summer, when all of this has come to life and really settled in. And I will definitely keep you updated with another video when that happens.